Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Okay, let's start today's class.
Today's session. So, our today's topic is state and their capitals. State and their capitals. Now, our first state is Andhra Pradesh. Our first state is Andhra Pradesh. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. And the main languages spoken in Andhra Pradesh are Telugu, Urdu, and Hindi. Rice is the major crop and the staple food of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, students. Now look at these pictures. Andhra Pradesh is famous for its art, culture, especially paintings, handicraft, and handlooms. Look at this picture carefully, students. This is one of the art piece from Andhra Pradesh. And famous places in Andhra Pradesh is Amravati Stupa and Sri Venkateshwar Swami Mandir. Now look at these pictures. This is Amravati Stupa and this is Sri Venkateshwar Swami Vari temple. Now come to our next state. Our next state is Bihar. The capital of Bihar is Patna. The capital of Bihar is Patna. Languages spoken in Bihar includes Bhojpuri, Maithili, and the most famous festival of Bihar is Chhath Puja. Now, look at this. The famous places in Bihar is Nalanda University and Mahabodhi Temple. Nalanda University and Mahabodhi Temple. Look at these pictures. This is the picture of Nalanda University, one of the famous place in Bihar, and this is Mahabodhi Temple. Okay. Now our next state. Our next state is Punjab and Haryana. The capital of Punjab and Haryana, both the state is Chandigarh. The language spoken in Punjab is Punjabi and the language spoken in Haryana is Haryanvi. Haryanvi is one of the dialect of Hindi. So the official language is Hindi and the dialect is Haryanvi. Punjab. Now the most famous place in Punjab. Punjab is famous for its golden temple. Students should all know about golden temple. And Haryana is famous for the Suraj Kund Mela. And the famous city, the Kurukshetra city, is also situated in Haryana. Now look at these pictures. This is a beautiful picture of Suraj Kund Mela. Look it properly. And this is the picture of Golden Temple from Punjab. Now come to our next state. Our next state is Gujarat. Capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Students, capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. And the language spoken in this state is Gujarati. Now, Gujarat is mainly famous for its Asiatic lions and wide desert of Run of Kutch, colorful handicrafts, festival food, unique culture and its many religious sites. Now Gujarat is very famous for its religious sites and festivals and handicrafts. Now look at these pictures. These are some important and famous places of Gujarat. Look at this picture. This picture is of Somnath Temple. Somnath Temple. And this is Rani Ki Van Patan. And look at this picture of Gir National Park. Now come to our next state, Rajasthan. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Okay students, the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. And the language spoken in Rajasthan is Rajasthani and various other forms and dialects of Rajasthani. Now, Udaipur city in Rajasthan is very famous all over the world. Gandhinagar. And the language spoken in this state is Gujarati. Now, Gujarat is mainly famous for its Asiatic lions and wide desert of Run of Kutch, colorful handicrafts, festival food, unique culture and its many religious sites. Now, Gujarat is very famous for its religious sites and festivals and handicrafts. Now, look at these pictures. These are some important and famous places of Gujarat. Look at this picture. This picture is of Somnath Temple. Somnath Temple. And this is Rani Ki Van Patan. And look at this picture of Gir National Park. Now, come to our next state, Rajasthan. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Okay, students, the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. And the language spoken in Rajasthan is Rajasthani and various other forms and dialects of Rajasthani. Now, Udaipur city in Rajasthan is very famous all over the world, and it is famous for its rich heritage. Thus also termed as Heritage City of Rajasthan. The most popular fair held in the state is Marwar Festival, the Pushkar Festival. Pushkar Festival is one of the very famous festival of Rajasthan. Now look at these pictures. The handicraft of Rajasthan, and this is a very beautiful picture of camels from Pushkar Mela, a famous Mela in Rajasthan, and one of the fort in Rajasthan. Now come to our next state. Our next state is Maharashtra. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai, and the language spoken in Maharashtra is Marathi. Now, Maharashtra is famous for its caves and rock cut architecture, as in Ajanta Ellora caves. Now class, Maharashtra is basically very famous for its Ellora and Ajanta caves, and it is one of the UNESCO World Heritage Site. And Ganesh Chaturthi, as you know, or as you all know about Ganesh Chaturthi, Ganesh Chaturthi is the most famous festival of Maharashtra. Now look at this picture of Ganesh Chaturthi, and come to the next picture. This is the picture of Ellora and Ajanta caves, one of the UNESCO World Heritage Site which is in Maharashtra. Now come to our next state. Our next state is Madhya Pradesh. Our next state is Madhya Pradesh. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal, and the language spoken here is Hindi. The language of Madhya Pradesh is Hindi. Okay, students? The erotic sculptures of Khajuraho. Madhya Pradesh is very famous for the Khajuraho temples and quaint hills. Quaint hills. Along with this, the wildlife of Bandhavgarh. The rich wildlife of Bandhavgarh is also very famous, and it is in Madhya Pradesh. Now, look at these pictures. This is the beautiful pictures of two tigers from the Bandhavgarh, and this is the picture of sculptures. Look, two more beautiful pictures from Madhya Pradesh. Look here. Right, now come to our next state. Our next state is Chhattisgarh. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Naya Raipur. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Naya Raipur. Language spoken here is Chhattisgarhi. The language of Chhattisgarh is Chhattisgarhi. Chhattisgarh is well known for its natural beauty. Chhattisgarh is well known for its natural beauty and Kosa silk. Kosa silk of Chhattisgarh is a world famous silk, and the lost wax art is very famous from Chhattisgarh. Now look at these pictures. Lost wax art sculpture. Now come to our next state. Our next state is Himachal Pradesh. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. Students, you all know about Shimla. Shimla is a well-known hill station in our country, and the language spoken in Himachal Pradesh is Pahari. The main language is Pahari. Along with this, people also use Hindi. This is famous for its Himalayan landscape. As we all know, Himalayas are so beautiful. So Himachal Pradesh is very famous for its beautiful landscapes, sports and other tourist sites. Many sports activities such as rock climbing, paragliding, ice skating, trekking, rafting, etc. is performed in the state. Now look at these beautiful pictures from Himachal Pradesh. See, river rafting, paragliding, and two more beautiful pictures. Now come to our next state, Kerala. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, and the language spoken here is Malayalam. Malayalam is the main and the official language of this state, Kerala. Kerala is famous especially for its eco-tourism. Kerala is a very green state, as we all know, students. Some of the famous items are tea and coffee, spices, banana chips. Kerala is popular for its two main folk classical dance forms. One is Mohiniyattam and second is Kathakali. These are the one of the two most famous dances of our India. This is the picture of the dance Mohiniyattam, and this is the picture of Kathakali, the dance from Kathakali, and two more beautiful picture of Kerala. Now come to our next state, Karnataka. The capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. The capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. The language spoken here is Kannada. The language spoken here in Karnataka is Kannada. Karnataka is primarily known for its rich heritage like Hampi. Hampi is one of the tourist site and it's very famous place all over the world, and its wildlife and national parks. Apart from that, it is also famous for its magical hill stations and pilgrimages and waterfalls. A land known for its silk, spices and sandalwood. Now look at these pictures. The coffee gardens in Karnataka. A picture of Hampi. Beautiful waterfalls and the coffee. Now come to our next state, Jharkhand. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. The language spoken here is Hindi and Nagpuri. The main languages of Jharkhand is Hindi and Nagpuri. Jharkhand has vast variety of minerals like iron ore, bauxite and mica, copper, etc. Jharkhand is also known for its vast forest resources. It is very famous and for its forest resources. Now look at these pictures. This is the picture of iron ore. Now come to our next state. Our next state is Tamil Nadu and Odisha. So the capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai, and the capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. The language spoken in Tamil Nadu is Tamil, and the language of Odisha is Odia. Tamil Nadu is very famous for its temples, very famous and for its forest resources. Now look at these pictures. This is the picture of iron ore. Now come to our next state. Our next state is Tamil Nadu and Odisha. So the capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai, and the capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. The language spoken in Tamil Nadu is Tamil, and the language of Odisha is Odia. Tamil Nadu is very famous for its temples and architecture and classical Indian Carnatic music. Odisha is famous for its temple. Bhubaneswar is also called Temple City, Silver City, Spiritual City. Odisha is famous for the Jagannath culture and its Jagannath temple. Now Look at these pictures. This is the picture of Jagannath temple from Odisha, and this is the picture of Carnatic music from Tamil Nadu. Now, our next state is Goa. The capital of Goa is Panaji. The language spoken here is Konkani. Goa is famous for its beaches, churches, and seafoods, and for the Dudhsagar Falls. Dudhsagar Falls is one of the famous and very attractive tourist site in Goa. Now, this is the picture of Dudhsagar Falls. Look it. And see these two more pictures. The pictures of church, one of the church from Goa, and the beautiful beach. Our next state is West Bengal. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata, and the language spoken in West Bengal is Bengali. Now class, it's all about today's session. I hope you like the class. Thank you.
Students, today is Earth Day. We celebrate Earth Day on 22nd April every year. Love the earth as you would love yourself.